Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand if you want to add a custom JavaScript code in your WordPress website, then what are the methods or how you can do it easily without any developer's requirement or without any problem. So that is the agenda for this video. Stay tuned, watch the video till the end and follow all the steps as it is to complete this process. So right now I am on my WordPress website and of course I have logged into the WP panel. Now if I want to add any JavaScript code, maybe it can be your Facebook pixel, it can be your Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager or any third-party plugin or any third-party JavaScript code. Then there are two methods. First is without plugin, second is with plugin. So first we will talk about without plugin. So without plugin, if you want to add the JavaScript, then there is an option in your WordPress dashboard, that is go into appearance and click on theme file editor. Once you click on theme file editor, it will show you this kind of warning. So say yes, and there is an option called functions.php. Functions.php. So if you click on here, this option here, if you see there is already some JavaScript code is already there, and if you want to add some JavaScript, you can just scroll down to the last, and by at the end of last line or whatever the last line, just press enter and you can paste your JavaScript code here. Whatever function you want to define, whatever parameters you want to define, you can do it right here. And if you want to do it in header or footer specifically, for example, there is a script which needs to be inserted in either header or footer, then there is an option also. So if you see on the right hand side, there is an option called footer.php and header.php. Almost every type of theme will have the same option. So if you want to add in header.php, of course go to header.php, and if you scroll down, you can see that there are already some code available. So just reach out to the last line and just press one enter so that you segregate with the rest of the code and you can enter it. Similar to the footer as well. So footer.php, if you go to footer.php, you can also add some JavaScript code here. If you want to add JavaScript code from in any particular page, let's say home page or say any other thing, or maybe blog single.php, you can do that. So that is the first method, without any plugin. Second method is with using a plugin. Let's say you don't want to disturb this code and you are not that technical person that if something goes wrong you can handle it, then the best way and the secure way is to use a third-party plugin. The plugin name is WP code. So click on add new plugin, just install a new plugin, and the plugin name of course is WP code. So we'll search for WP code, and once you search for WP code, it will be this option, insert header and footer custom code snippet. So just install this option, and once the installation is done, just click on activate now, and we need to activate this plugin. Once the plugin is activated, now there's an option called code snippets on the left hand side, and here you can say code snippets. Click on code snippets, and once you click on code snippets, you can add a new code. So click on add new, and you can see what kind of code you want. You want to custom code, you generate using AI, attach files, SVG files, or if you want to insert only in header and footer, so there's an option called header and footer. Click on this option, and if you can see, you can add any CSS or JavaScript code in the header part. If you want to add in body part, you can do that, and if you want to add in the footer area, then you can also do that. So that is the also option. There is another plugin also which is specifically for JavaScript, but of course if your purpose is multiple, then the WP code will be sufficient. But if you want only JavaScript to be added, so you can search for custom JavaScript, and once it is search, you can see there are multiple options as well. But again, you can see that WP code is the best option, but if you want to see, you can go custom CSS in JavaScript. You can also use that plugin. Click on install now, and once the installation is done, just simply click on activate. And this is also another plugin dedicatedly for custom JavaScript and CSS files. So once it is done, so you can go and click on settings, custom JavaScript, and this, so it will be in the appearance. So appearance have custom CSS, custom JavaScript option. So click on custom JavaScript option, and here you can add your custom JavaScript and click on save or publish. So that's how you can add custom JavaScript code in your WordPress website in both ways, without plugin and with plugin. And if you want to learn how to add custom font on your WordPress website, we have already created a video. Click on this link to watch the video, and if you want to follow this entire series, then click on this link to watch the entire playlist right now, and share with your friends so that they can also learn a new skill in 2025 and in upcoming years.